Hello. So I welcome you again to our channel of S247X. Today we'll be discussing on 13th and 14th June current affairs. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first question. First question is, which Indian institute has topped the recently released QS World University Ranking 2022? Your answer is IIT Bombay. Question number 2, who has topped a World Best Bank in India category released by Forbes? Options are HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, DBS Bank, and Federal Bank. And your answer is DBS Bank. Let's have a look on some headquarters. HDFC's headquarters is in Mumbai, ICICI headquarters is in Vadodara, DBS Bank's headquarters is in Singapore, Federal Bank headquarters is in Aluva. Now let's move on. Question number third. Who has recently won the title of US Women's Open Golf Tournament? Your options are Shichi Dangarmga, B. Yuka Saso, C. Meena Rai, D. Jiva Margaret. So your answer is Yuka Saso. Now moving towards next question. Question number 4. So recently Indo-Thai corporate exercise has been organized between India and which country? Options are Australia, then America, then Thailand. Your answer is Thailand. Now, question number 5th. Recently, who has been awarded with Pen Printer Prize 2021? So, Pen Printer Prize 2021 किसे दिया गया है? Your answer is Sitsi Danjaramanga. And now, question number 6th. Which country has formally pulled out of the Open Skies Treaty? Your options are Australia, France, Russia, and Germany. Your answer is Russia. And you must be knowing that 34 states are there in the Open Skies Treaty. तो Open Sky Treaty में कितने states आते हैं? That's our answer is 34 states. ये एक static fact आपको याद रखना है. Now आगे आगे क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Question number 7. Which country's ship Express Pearl has sunk near Colombo port? तो your options are America, North Korea, C Australia, D Singapore. Your correct answer is Singapore. Now let's have a look at Singapore. Country Singapore, its capital is again Singapore and its currency is Singapore dollar. Okay, ये questions आपके examinations में आते हैं तो आपको याद रखना है. And this some static facts do come in your examination. That is सिंगापुर को हम Lion City भी बोलते हैं, The Garden City भी बोलते हैं, and the Little Red Dot भी कहते हैं. So ये याद रखिएगा. Question number 8. Recently, who has taken over as Director General Naval Operation? किसको कमांड दिया गया है? ऑप्शंस है राजेश पेंडरकर, बी मोहित कुलकर्णी, सी मिलिंद सिंह, डी रोहित रस्तोगी. Your answer is Rajesh Pendarkar. Now let's have a look on Chiefs of Army, Navy and Air Force. Army Chief is Manoj Mukund Narwane. Navy Chief is Karambir Singh. Air Force Chief is Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria. Now question number 9th. India is returning INS Chakra, the only submarine capable of carrying out nuclear attack, to which country? Options are America, B Australia, C Japan, and D Russia. So your correct answer is Russia. And which exercise is being held between India and Russia? Your answer is PASEX. This is static fact and this comes under exercise question. You must be aware of that. Various exercises between countries. This is one of the exercises which is conducted between India and Russia. So do note that. Now question number 10th. Who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank recently? Option are CS Ghosh, Mohit Kulkarni, Rajesh Pendarkar, BP Kanugo. So your answer is CS Ghosh. Now coming towards question number 11th. Which country has launched a global initiative mission, innovation, clean tech exchange? Your answer is India. Okay, this you should remember a global initiative mission, innovation, and its name is Clean Tech Exchange has been launched by India. Now question number 12th. Which country of the world will become a mask-free country from June 15 during the last Israel Corona period? Options are Israel, Iraq, C. Iran, D. Germany. Your answer is Israel. Now, country is Israel, capital of it is Jerusalem, currency is Israeli shekel. Now, question number 13. Anup Chandra Pandey, the Chief Secretary of which state has been appointed as the new election commissioner of the country? Your options are Madhya Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Tamil Nadu. So correct answer of this question is Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 14. How many Indian universities have been ranked in the top 200 of QS World University Ranking 2022? So your correct answer is 3. Now question number 15th. The World Bank has approved how many $1 million program micro, small and medium enterprises business sector? Options are $200 million, B is $300 million, C is 500 and D is $400 million. So your correct answer is C, that is $500 million. Now let's have a look on and let's revise it as fast as possible. Question number 1. Which Indian institute has topped the recently released QS World University Ranking 2022? Answer is IIT Bombay. Question number 2. Who has topped of World Best Banks in India category recently released by Forbes? Answer is DBS Bank. Question number 3. Who has recently won the title of US Open's Women Golf Tournament? Answer is Yuka Saso. Question number 4. Recently Indo-Thai Combat exercise has been organized between India and which country? Answer is Thailand. Question number 5th. Recently who has been awarded with Pen Printer Prize 2021? Answer is A. Option is A. Question number 6. Which country has formally pulled out of the Open Skies Treaty? Answer is Russia. Then question number 7. Which country's ship Express Pearl has sunk near Colombo port? Your answer is Singapore. Question number 8. Recently who has taken over the Director General Naval Operation? Answer is Rajesh Pendharkar. Now question number 9. India is returning INS Chakra, the only submarine capable of carrying out nuclear attack, to which country? Answer is Russia. Question number 10th. Who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank recently? Answer is CS Ghosh. Now question number 11th. Which country has launched a global initiative mission innovation clean tech exchange? Answer is India. Question number 12th. Which country of the world will become a mask-free country from June 15 during the Israel Corona period? Answer is Israel. Question number 13th. Anup Chandra Pandey, the Chief Secretary of which state has been appointed as the new election commissioner of the country? Option and answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 14th. How many Indian universities have been ranked in top 200 of QS World University Ranking 2022? Answer is 3. Question number 15th. The World Bank has approved how many $1 million program for micro, small and medium enterprises business sector? Your answer is $500 million. So these are your current affairs, and at the last I'll be giving you homework. This is your question. Please comment your answer in the comment box. Question is, in which country the Equal Access to Clean Card Legal Employment Act 2021 has been introduced? So it is introduced in which country? That is the question. And please comment your answer in the comment box. And do subscribe our channel after 247X to stay updated and stay tuned. And let's meet tomorrow with new news, and let's learn something more. Thank you.